Hello everyone. We are going to do another lesson about our Big English 3 books. Today, we are going to do page 6 and 7, which has a story inside it. Now, we are going to listen to the story, then do the activities after it. Are you ready to listen?
Pupils Book, pages 6 and 7. Activity 6. Listen and read. What does Luke do after school? I love Mondays.
Good morning, Mum. What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Hooray! I love Mondays.
Luke wakes up and goes into the kitchen.
Before lunch, at 11:10, I've got art. Art is fun.
But before school, Luke always eats breakfast.
We draw pictures, we paint, it's great.
But today, after breakfast, he brushes his teeth. Then he washes his face.
After lunch, at 2:15, we've got English. I love English.
But Luke, he gets dressed.
After school, we play football or basketball.
Luke, he puts on his shoes. He's ready for school.
What, Mum?
Today's a holiday. There's no school. But there's no school today.
Did you like the story? Now, we are going to do another exercise which is given on page 7 and which is related with the story. Now, we are going to read and say before school or after school. Number 1. Luke eats breakfast before school. 2. Luke gets dressed before school. 3. Luke plays football after school. Luke puts on his shoes before school. 5. Luke wakes up before school. Luke plays basketball after school. Now we have another exercise, think big. There are 2 questions about think big. The first one is, do you like Mondays? Why? Why not? What different things do you do on different days? Let's think about it and answer. I have given you some examples about think big. For example, do you like Mondays? Why? Why not? Yes, I do, because I have arts lesson, you may say in the first question. And the second question can be answered like that. I play tennis on Monday, I draw pictures on Tuesday, I go to the gym on Wednesday, I ride my bike on Thursday, I go to cinema on Friday. Now, we are going to begin our activity book, and the first page is page 2. Now we are going to do page 2 on our activity book. In the first exercise, we are going to fill in the blanks, then match the pictures with the sentences. And the second exercise is about completing the phrases. Now we are going to circle the words given in bold. Now, let's do the exercise 1. She eats in the morning. 2. She plays in the afternoon. And the other one is she does homework after school. We wrote all these verbs by looking at the pictures given next to the sentences. Now we are going to match the pictures with the sentences. Here is number 1. 2 goes to A. She eats in the morning. Number 1 goes to B. She plays in the afternoon. And 3 goes to C. She does homework after school. Let's look at exercise 2. Number 1 is gonna be wake up. 2, go home. 3, go to the park. 4, go to school. 5, get dressed. And 6, watch TV. Let's have a look at the answers if they are correct or not. Number 1, wake up, go to the park, get dressed, go home, go to school, watch TV. Now, we are going to continue on page 3 from our activity book. Exercise 3. We are going to listen and write, then match. Now, listen the song, fill in the blanks, then match with the clocks.
Does Kate eat breakfast? Hurry Kate song. It's Monday, 7:30. Kate has to wake up. Her mum sees the clock and says, "Wake up, sleepyhead." Go, go, go. Hurry, Kate. Hurry, Kate. You can't be late. Kate eats breakfast, she gets dressed, it's 7:45. It's time to go to school and she can't be late. Go, go, go. Hurry, Kate. Hurry, Kate. You can't be Kate's got her backpack and she's got her lunch. What time is it now? Oh no, it's time to go. Go, go, go. Hurry, Kate. Hurry, Kate. You can't be late.
And now, let's look at the answers if they are correct or not. Number 1 should be 7:30. 2 should be 7:45. And these are the matching. The first blank is going to clock B and the second one goes to clock A. And in exercise 4, there is a question there. Find out, answer and draw. When does your friend wake up? I asked my friend, when does she wake up? And she said me, I wake up at 7:15. So my friend wakes up at 7:15. My answer is like that. Yours can be different. And exercise 5, I'm going to circle the correct answer by looking at the times given on the left side. 1, 7 o'clock. A. 2, 5:25. B. 3, 4:45. B. And number 4, 2:30, it's A. Thank you for interest. See you in the next lesson.